Hi there YouTubers, I've decided to stop making videos about trees and start making videos about slime as they're so popular on YouTube. To help me do this, I've hired these newts as assistants. After protracted negotiations with my newt workforce, we've reached a deal. They've promised me that they will be producing slime within the next 2 weeks. In keeping with my hands-off management style, I've decided to let my workforce get on with what they say they do best, simply producing slime. I will just observe. My slimy little assistants have done it, they've produced slime. But unfortunately they're not great at following directions, so they've put the slime out of the water. They were supposed to put it into the water. I'm quite annoyed about this, so now I have to go up and clean up after them. Otherwise the slime will just dry out. We need to get the slime and transfer it into the water where it'll stay slimy. I don't want to criticise them too much. They tried their best. I think they just got overexcited and didn't follow my directions. Anyway, that's that done. We have got litres and litres of slime in here. After me giving my workforce the benefit of the doubt yesterday, I've come into work this morning and I have to say I'm extremely disappointed with this. Where I had slime, now I have these weird things. I thought I had a substantial quantity of quality slime, but I have been left with this. I'm not only disappointed, I'm angry. I feel I've been conned and have come to the inescapable conclusion that these are fake newts. While it was not stipulated in our initial agreement that the slime should not grow tails and swim away, I feel that these so-called newts have acted in bad faith. They knew exactly what they were doing the whole way through this, and I feel I've been taken advantage of. Therefore, I would like to warn others about the danger of these fake newts. Do not trust them. They are not newts. Despite the fact they say they are newts, they are not. They are fake newts and not to be trusted. You have been warned.